2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy review. The icon flexes more muscle. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy evolves its legendary steamroller stance, now packing significantly more punch and refinement. This isn't just a cruiser, it's a statement of unmistakable presence and uncompromising power, bolder and more refined than ever. Engine. The biggest news is the upgrade to the formidable Milwaukee-Eight 117 custom V-twin engine. This 117 cubic inch, 1,923 cubic centimeters powerhouse delivers around 103 to 104 horsepower and a staggering 126 ft-lb of torque, ensuring effortless acceleration and that iconic Harley rumble. Design and styling. The Fat Boy's signature design remains, featuring distinctive 18-inch solid Lancaster wheels, 160mm front, 240mm rear for its steamroller stance. Expect an iconic polished chrome headlamp nacelle, minimalist chopped fenders, and new paint options. A balance of gleaming chrome and blacked-out components maintains its menacing yet polished aesthetic. Chassis and handling. Built on the Softail chassis, the Fat Boy offers a low-slung, comfortable ride. Its recalibrated suspension, dual bending valve front fork, hidden mono-shock rear provides a more composed feel. Powerful disc brakes with standard ABS ensure reliable stopping. Technology and features. The 2025 Fat Boy integrates modern tech seamlessly, including all-LED lighting, an updated console-mounted digital instrument display, and critically selectable ride modes. It also boasts comprehensive rider safety enhancements as standard, leveraging an IMU for cornering, enhanced ABS, TCS, and DSCS, along with a USB-C power port and tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy is a potent blend of iconic American styling, immense V-twin power, and modern safety features. It's the ultimate choice for riders who want to make a bold statement, commanding the road with unmatched presence and refined performance.